Okay, so I'm not used to making videos. That's an original E-Sheen that you can see has long raised pieces. This is one of the new batteries. This is difficult through my phone, which you can see, hopefully you can see, doesn't have those little raised bits. Come on, focus. There we go. So when they go in, I'll show you on my one that's still. No, I won't, because I don't want to break them. Oh no, that'll be okay. Okay, so that's the E-Sheen battery, and it slides in like that, clicks in, and is now in place, and won't come off. So I press the button and it comes out like that, as normal. Then I pick the other battery up, and it'll slide in, but it won't quite go forwards because of those. See that step? So it won't go all the way forwards, and then it'll stay a little bit, but as soon as there's any knock, it drops like that. And then when it drops, if you're unlucky and don't realise it's dropped, please don't have broken this one, it breaks those tiny little tags inside there, those little contacts, those, it breaks those off. So if you look at the board out of the one that's now broken, so that's LEDs at the front and it's the same way up. Focus again, come on. Yeah, you can see little tags are sticking up. Shine a light inside. Come on, light. Oh, shut up. You see those little tags are sticking up there, and that one, little tags have gone off that central lump. Tiny little tags are broken, and they're contacts that power all goes through. And they are inside this bag of the parts that I put them all in. They are just, doesn't matter. They're in there somewhere. Yeah, there they are. That's one of them. That's two of them next to those tiny screws. Focus. Yeah, there. So that's what's wrong. Well, that's how it's broken, because I put it in, thought it had locked in all the way. No, that's my E-Sheen, where's it? Thought it had locked in all the way. All five are like this. And it had not locked in. It goes in like that, then a little knock and it drops like that. I'm not pressing anything to make it do that. Like that's in. You think it's locked. Little bump, it's popped out again. And then if you get hold of that and pull, like I did, the front end tips up and rips those contacts off. So yeah, you could say it's battery's fault, but you could also say it's my fault, because what I should have done before pulling on the battery is I should have pressed it in and then released it like that, but I didn't. So I've got one less drone now, but lots of batteries that don't work.